Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Try Techies. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you change the language in your Facebook application or from your Android phone device. Generally, people like to stay in their own language. They like to see the things, the posts, videos, pictures, everything in their own languages. Well, Facebook has a very interesting feature. They have given the option to the users by which they can select the language from the list they have, and that's how it works. So today I'll guide you how that feature works and how can you activate that feature. All right. So all you need to do is just sit tightly on your couch, grab a cup of coffee, sprinkle some chocolate powder on that, and watch this video till end. So first of all, let's go ahead and open the Facebook application for you. Now, over here in this application, you see an icon which has your profile picture with the three bars on that, three horizontal bars on the top right side corner. Tap on that. It will open a menu box for you, which has all kind of settings, and that gives you the options that how can you manage your profile. So over this page, just scroll it down, come to the bottom, and you see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on that. It will take you to another page. From here, you can see the language option. Just scroll it down, the third from the bottom. Tap on this language option, and now there you go. Over here on this page, you have the list of all the languages that Facebook is offering to you. It has English, different kind of English, spoken in United Kingdom, and by default it is selected for the device language, which means in the language in which your device setting has been done, it will automatically accept that as your default language. However, these are the lists. Now from here you can select whichever the language you want. So whichever option you will select, see, I selected Hindi, and it's giving me everything in Hindi because that's what I selected. However, you can select of your own. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.